Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: PAN, GST, UDIAM registration if applicable, and your current trade license number. Once done, gather scanned ID, address proof, latest license receipt, and any annexures. Have them named clearly. Now open the Municipal Corporation/Delhi Gov Trade License portal and log in using DSC or Aadhaar e-sign. You'll choose Renewal and enter the trade license number. This starts the formal application. Make sure all fields match official records to avoid delays. You now focus on the core form fields and uploads. Carefully enter business details, activity code, authorized person, and renewal period, and then cross-check figures with your PAN/GST. Next, upload documents. Keep PDFs optimized between 1 MB and 5 MB and name each file clearly so reviewers can match them. Once uploads are complete, calculate the renewal fees shown by the system and pay online via net banking, card, or UPI. After payment, download the provisional acknowledgement and note the application number for tracking. You finish by tracking the application with your number and watching for inspection or query notices. Respond promptly to avoid lapses. Once approved, download the renewed trade license and the payment receipt. Save both as PDF and print a copy for records. If the application is rejected, read the rejection reason, correct the specific documents or form fields, and resubmit immediately. Most rejections are document mismatches. Finally, verify the new expiry date on the license and schedule. A calendar reminds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.